Is this actually Jim Carrey? Or did we just get hit with the biggest prank of the decade? Welcome to Behind the Trend. I'm your host, and right now, the internet is completely losing it. People are convinced Jim Carrey has been replaced. Clone, body double, deep fake swap, you name it. Yeah, this new appearance has everyone going wild. If you haven't seen the clip yet, here it comes. Let's roll it. Clip description: Jim Carrey at an event, speaking in French accented English, looking polished, happy, different face structure. It's a wonderful feeling. I took on a pretty big challenge, practiced like crazy, felt a lot of love. Whoa, hold everything. That voice sounds like Jim, but look closer. The eyes, the skin, the vibe, way too calm, too put together. The internet is screaming, that's not him. His eyes are completely different. Where's the manic energy we know? I've rewatched this thing over and over, and yeah, even I paused and went, wait a second. Social media is on absolute fire right now. Here's just a taste of what people are saying. I'm sorry, but as someone who grew up on Ace Ventura and The Mask, you're not convincing me that's Jim Carrey. Those aren't his eyes. Not buying it. Clone alert. Jawline flattened, face too smooth. He's been swapped. Am I the only one seeing this? Body double for sure. Need y'all's thoughts? No, you're not alone. Half the comments sections agree this feels off. And here's why it's hitting different. Jim Carrey has always been the guy calling out the weird stuff. Remember that Jimmy Kimmel appearance where he went full conspiracy mode? Flashing the Illuminati sign, talking about the all-seeing eye, mocking the secrets in Hollywood. He was like, oh, like you don't know what it is. Come on, Jimmy, the time is up. I'm here to blow the lid off it. It's the secret symbol of the Illuminati, the all-mocking tongue. He was exposing everything, not caring who got mad. Wild, unfiltered Jim. So when he shows up now, looking this refined, people are like, they got to him? Replace the real one with a compliant version. This is the new scripted Jim. Let's compare real quick. Go back to old clips. 2010's Jim on talk shows. Chaotic laughs, exaggerated faces, that signature intensity. Hair wild, eyes popping with madness, pure, unpredictable energy. Now this new one, smoother, polished, almost zen. Too happy? The contrast is huge, and that's fueling every theory out there. Okay, time to get real. A ton of you are yelling plastic surgery, and honestly, that's probably the answer. Top plastic surgeons are already breaking it down online. One expert said, looking at him 2 years ago versus now, obvious volume changes. Hyaluronic acid fillers in the cheeks and mid-face. Some loose skin tightened around the eyes. Maybe a subtle face and neck lift. At his age, it's expected if he wants to stay in the game without looking aged on camera. Side by side, old Jim versus new. Jaw structure matches underneath. Forehead line still there if you look close. It's him, just enhanced. Fillers puff up the cheeks, change how light hits the face, make everything look flatter or brighter under stage lights. Biggest clue against the clone theory? Those event lights. They make brown eyes glow super intense, skin look porcelain smooth. But check unfiltered photos from the same day. Paparazzi shots, no heavy editing. There he is, classic Jim smirk. Same outfit from head to toe. Continuity is perfect. You can't stage a swap that seamless in real time. This is Jim Carrey, folks. Not a double, not a clone from some secret lab. Just a guy who's had some work done, like so many in Hollywood. Ryan Gosling's face went flat after fillers. Jared Leto looks different every year, even big names nip and tuck to fight aging. Jim's no exception. But if you're still Team Conspiracy, drop your best evidence in the comments. Best Theory gets a shout out next video. Is it Illuminati payback, Neuralink style swap, or just good lighting plus vanity? Smash like if this cleared it up or made you question more. Subscribe for more wild celebrity mysteries. Next one's gonna be even crazier. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, but keep it real. Peace out.